lovies!
Hi, lovies!
My name is Dan.
And I'm Chef Ann Steele.
Welcome to our YouTube channel. Oh my God, Chef Ann, it's been a while.
It's been a while. Diba ngayon, kami dalawa ni Dan na magkasama.
At Chef, nasaan ba tayo ngayon?
Ngayon, still in the Makati branch, which is a former buffet.
Yes.
Then now, papakita natin paano natin convert yung Makati branch from buffet.
Ang pangalan niya na ulit is Ilios Home. So, it's like the restaurant in BF na a la carte siya. So, yung offerings doon, nandito na din ngayon sa Makati.
From the quantity and the quality of the food lineup, yun, medyo malaki na iba. May new sets na nilabas. We call that executive meal na for the consume sa mga para sa employees rate, ganun, sa mga around na vicinity na ma-afford nila yung the whole set of meal.
Oo, kasi di ba si Makati, ang dami ditong
business hub.
Business hub siya. Tapos pwede kayong mga nagdi-date.
Suddenly yung nangyayaan ng pamilya o ng small families yun. Makikikater natin yan.
To give you an idea, so we have here the menu.
It's an album menu na pag hindi ka pamilya sa food, there's a picture on it.
Di ba mahilig tayong nagtitingin ng mga album?
Yes, yung album ng pamilya, album ng kabataan natin, ng mga okasyon. Ito, album nung ino-offer natin pagkain.
So nakakaaliw siya, kaya lahat may pictures per dish.
Yes, so Ilios Home, iba yung lineup ng food, portioning of course, ibang-iba. Pwedeng solo, pwedeng family, so the sizes. Tapos from salad to dessert, kompleto. Hanggang drinks, hanggang merienda, kompleto yan.
Dito sa Ilios Home, since a la carte siya, nag-offer din tayo dito ng breakfast.
Yung mga set, mga big plate meal,
plate
natin. Yan. Diyan tayo nakilala sa BF Parañaque sa big plate na breakfast.
And then from soup, appetizer to the mains, meron din tayo dito.
Yes. Kasi nga, nasabi namin kanina, yun, like we have the executive meal, yan. From soup, salad, to entree, to dessert, kasama na yan. And that's only rice and only bread.
Ay, totoo ba?
Yes.
Only brioche?
Yes, only brioche and only rice.
Alam mo guys, isa sa mga binabalikan talaga dito sa restaurant namin is the brioche. Ang sarap kasi ng brioche namin, plus yung spread niya.
Yung butter natin, yung infused butter natin.
Siya.
Yes.
Tayo talaga yung gumawa.
Kumbaga, yung pa lang, panglinaw pa lang in term nga sa food, okay ka na.
Ayan, so sa executive meal, meron tayong 6 choices from executive A to F. So, meron dyan, kompleto siya from soup, salad, mains, and then meron ding dessert. Plus the unlimited brioche.
Yeah.
Kaya, try nating umorder para makita
nyo ilan yung portioning yan. Gano'ng
serving,
kadami.
kung pang ilang tao nga siya.
Salad.
Asian Quezon Puti.
Ang dami na to. Roast beef to, no?
Crackling pork. Uy, shrimp alfredo. Oh my God.
Diba? Salmon. Baked salmon always. Yan. Ang ganda na plating, no? The cheapest, 750 per head. Then may juice ka na tsaka coffee. And may cake ka pa.
So, ang in-order namin is executive meal, letter E, tsaka D. So, ayun
yung entree and pasta.
Alam nyo, yun din yung difference kapag buffet tsaka a la carte. Kasi pag a la carte,
freshly made, freshly cooked. Tapos right away, pagkaluto, siniserve agad.
Nag-start ka sa brioche, soup, salad, tapos pasta. Wala na, busog ka na.
Wala na, tapos may ganito pa. May protein ka pa.
Kaya kapag nagpunta kayo dito guys, lovies, i-try nyo to executive meal.
Diba?
Sarap ikaw. Hi! Sorry, what's your name?
M.
This is M. So, patapos na yata sila kumain. Sorry sa istorbo. Gusto lang namin itanong, how was the food or how was the experience?
Super sarap tsaka affordable na siya sa price niya.
Ano ba in-order nila?
Exclusive F, E.
Oh, nag-executive meal sila. So, ano masasabi mo sa executive meal? Super dami ba? Kaya ba siya ubusin ng 2 tao? 3 pa?
super dami na niya sa fries niya.
So, super sulit na daw na executive meal. Kaya itry nyo. Anong drink to?
Banana chocolate. Peanut.
A peanut. Meron din kami kasing mga offerings dito ng mga cocktails, mga slushies, smoothies. So, you should try that, guys. Thank you so much. Ayan, invite mo nga sila,
Guys, visit na kayo dito sa Ilos Home.
Yun.
So, busog na naman
ulit tayo. Pero, small portion.
Small portion lang. Kasi meron pa kaming pupuntahan ni Chef Ed.
Kailangan natin mag-thank you ng personal sa kanya.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so mamaya.
So may pupuntahan tayong party. It's a surprise party. Malalaman nyo yan mamaya. So kailangan na natin bumiyahe dahil baka tayo ma-traffic.
Baka hindi natin ma-surprise.
Baka tayo ma-surprise.
See you later.
See you later.
For pulling this surprise. Let's go! Happy birthday to the one and only Optimum Star. A star talaga for tonight, Miss Claudine Barreto. Wow! Birthday celebrant for tonight. Good job, guys. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
There you go.
Nagulat talaga ako. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. I'm so happy that you're here tonight. Buti medyo nakabihis ako.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Jay, and I am the newest member of Beanie. Joke lang. I'm the newest member of Ilos family. So we're here tonight at Miss Claudine's Barreto surprise party. Alamin natin yung mga thoughts ba ng mga bisita ni Miss Claudine, kung ano ang masasabi nila sa food ng Privé. Ang nag-iisang Privé, celebrate with style, nabubulol. And later, makakausap natin si Miss Claudine kung ano nga ba ang kanyang masasabi. So hello everyone, I'm with the famous Mami Loy and Tita Jeg. Di ba? So may mga pa-blind item po ba tayo ngayon?
Eto na nga. Naku, meron daw catering. My God. Mama Malo.
Pagbigay ka naman ng clue.
Merong catering na ang chika ha. Ang sarap.
Ay, hindi yan chika. Totoo yan.
Ah, talaga?
Oo, yan chismis, mamalo.
Nasikman mo na?
Oo naman.
Ay, sabi ko na nga ba.
Parang pa kompleto na tayo with Tito Oji. Ano pong masasabi ninyo sa food ng Privé?
Actually, na-try na namin many times yung Privé by Ilos. At saka nakapunta kami dun sa buffet niya na sa Adriatico. Marami na, syempre, paborito kaya sa showbiz eh. Yung ibang mga showbiz events na pinupuntahan namin, Privé ang caterer.
Sa mga food ngayon, ano nagustuhan natin?
Ay, gusto ko yung breaded fish.
Breaded fish.
Yung breaded fish at saka yung binagoongan. Actually, lahat, pati yung truffle mushroom na yung beef, di ba? Masarap din. Ikaw, ano pang favorite mo?
Yung kanin, chef.
So, I'm now with Sir Gerald Santos. This is the first time na nakatry ka ng Ilos.
Yes, this is my first time.
Ito, mas maganda tong tanongin. How was the food, sir?
Ang sarap. Super tasty. Yun ang masasabi ko. Super tasty, freshly cooked. At yung dessert ang sarap.
So yung cake talaga. Sa lahat ng food na natikman mo ngayon, sir, from Ilos, ano yung pinaka-favorite mo?
Baked penne, ayun. Sobrang sarap. As in, natutunaw sa bibig.
What's your favorite food from Ilos?
My favorite food is the chocolate and the salmon.
I'm with Miss Katrina Paula right now. Ang pretty-pretty niya naman.
Thank you so much.
Okay, first time niyo po bang matry yung Ilos?
Yes. Tapos sobrang sarap.
Ano yung pinaka-favorite niyo, ma'am?
Chicken pastel, ayun, yun, sobrang sarap. Actually, lahat masarap. Ang sarap ng food nyo, Elio, sobrang the best. Kukunin ko nga yung number mo eh.
Sige po. So what's your favorite food from Ilos?
Rockets natin.
Yung broccoli, beef with broccoli. Not tonight.
Not tonight. Yung kisam.
Yeah.
But tonight?
Iba po ba?
The salad.
The salad, of course.
Talagang yun ang kinain ko ngayong gabi dahil on a diet. Pero grabe yung salad nyo. Kung sa mga health conscious talaga, panalo yung dressing and all.
What's your favorite food from Privé? Yung natikman natin today, tita.
The binagoongan. Everything was good. Everything. Wala akong mapili. Mahirap pumili eh. Ilos is an all-time family favorite.
First time natin matikman si Ilos.
Yes, first time, but I've heard so much about your place. Thanks to Clau, who's your brand ambassador. The food is great. I congratulate you, anak, for doing a good job. In every way, nako, yung pag-ayos ng lugar, and the food above all else is spectacular, to say the least.
What's your favorite food po?
Basta yung pork, yung may pork kanina, I forgot what it's called. And the binagoongan, I tried that too. Sincerely, it's yummy. Wala ang diet ko. Did you serve the cake? Is that
Yes.
The chocolate cake is wonderful.
Claudine talaga ako. Claudine fan talaga ako.
Yes.
Dati pa. Kasi yung mga movie niya pinanonood ko. Eto ang Milano. Paano ko masasabi nandito sa
We love you, Miss Clau. Thank you for your friendship. Thank you for being kind and generous. Dumadali lang sa kanya yung biyaya. Sinishare niya lagi.
Clau, just continue to strive for excellence. And ipagpatuloy mo lamang yung pagiging down-to-earth mo. Napaka-humble mo. Despite your status, just always remember na nandito lang ako for you. Okay, happy birthday, Clau.
Sobrang bait niya. Siya yung mag-approach talaga sa'yo. Sobrang bait. I love you, sis. Thank you for always pushing me to do the things I love. And thank you for just being there for us. Kahit hindi mo verbally sinasabi that you care for us. Yung mga simpleng pangumusta mo sa amin. We appreciate you a lot. And just continue being you. This is your year. I claim that in Jesus' name. Happy birthday, Mom. You just come through. Thank you for everything. Yeah.
I pray that she finds her perfect match made in heaven. All her birthday wishes come true.
We are very thankful and also blessed to have you as part of Ilos family. Palagi po kaming nakasuporta sa kanya. And we will always be here for you anytime po na kailangan niyo kami. Na-surprise po ba kayo?
Sobrang na-surprise ako talaga. Kasi ang birthday ko July 20,
Yes.
pero that day was Santino's, magkasunod kami na July 19 sa Santino, July 20 ako. So, Saturday yon. So, ginawa nilang, yung birthday ko, binigay ko nilang sa birthday ni Santino.
So, actually, si Miss Sol, siya ang may talagang nag-contact sa aming lahat. So, talagang when we found out that you're going to have a surprise party, syempre, you're an ambassador of Ilos, so we're always here for you.
Pag sinabi kasi Ilos, hindi talaga ako mapapahiya na i-refer, i-endorse ang Ilos. Kasi talagang makita niyo sa pagkain pa lang, punong-puno hindi tinipid. And nung kausap ko nga si Chef N, sabi niya, na yung natutunan ko when I was doing Kailangan Kita, when I was cooking, yung mga Bicolano food, when you cook, it has to be yung with love.
Yes.
So, I think yun yung nalalasahan ng tao. Thank you so much, Ilios. I love you so much.
Busog, pagod.
Yeah.
Yan.
Pero fulfilling.
Yeah. Honestly, hindi na ulit sanay. May hiya na ulit sa camera, sa lens eh. Pero yun nga, basta si Miss Clau nga, thank you so much, Miss Clau, dahil sa'yo.
Because we love Miss Clau very much.
Talagang paulit-ulit tayo na since day one talaga, nandiyan si Miss Clau. Kaya yun eh. Kung nag-trending siya kami, we're very thankful also na laging yung suporta niya, nandyan din.
Ever since from party trays, na nagkaroon tayo ng a la carte restaurant, nagkaroon ng buffet, tapos ngayon may catering tayo.
Lagi nandyan yan. Yes. Always thank you to you, Miss Clau.
Ayan, lovies. Kaya if you wanna see more of our videos, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe in our YouTube channel, which is Ilios Group. And then you could also follow our social media platforms, which is Ilios Party Trays on Facebook and Instagram, Ilios Home Buffet, and Privé by Ilios for our premium dining catering. And of course, we have our website that is www.dinewithilios.com. Again, lovies, this is Dan, and I'm
with Chef Ann.
Thank you so much.